5 ingredients to improve the appearance of your pores. But before that, guys, kailangan maintindihan natin that our pore size is genetically predetermined. However, by using strategic skincare actives, we can improve the appearance of our pores by indirect mechanism. Ang isang paraan ay paggamit ng isa sa mga favorite acids natin. Number 1, ang salicylic acid. So salicylic acid is a beta hydroxy acid. It's one of the two acids that can deeply penetrate our hair follicles or our oil-filled pore. So may kakayahan ito na i-extract or tanggalin ang ating mga sebum or mga oil na nandoon sa ating mga pores. And also, it has a desmolytic effect, meaning it has the capacity to declog our pores, and this actually helps decongest our pores. And when you start to decongest our pores, the forces that keep our pores dilated or big are relieved. Therefore, you will start to see the improvements in the appearance of your pores. Salicylic acid also has exfoliating effects, so it helps the skin reveal newer, younger, plumper skin from the inside. Therefore, yung mga skin natin around the pores, mas magiging juicy sila, plumper, moist, and this actually creates an illusion na mas maliit yung mga pores natin. So number 2, guys, ay retinoids. So maraming forms of retinoids. My personal favorite is our retinol 1% Defender Cream. You can also use tretinoin, retinaldehyde, hydroxypinacolone retinoids. So marami pong effective, well-studied retinoids out there na very nice for sensitive skin. So retinoids increases cellular turnover and helps the skin reveal younger, plumper, juicier, and more hydrated skin around the hair follicles, giving an appearance or illusion na mas maliit ito. And also, it encourages collagen production. And that new, good quality collagen around the pores help tighten the pores, and this also contributes to a smaller appearance of our pores. And studies actually show that using retinoids regularly over time improves the structural support of your skin, and this leads to the decreased appearance of dilated or big pores. And also, guys, ideally, dapat ginagamit natin daily ang ating mga retinoids for at least 3 months para makita natin ang maximal effect. Number 3, guys, one of my favorite acids, azelaic acid. So, namutulong ang azelaic acid para ma-prevent or maiwasan ang pag-build up ng keratin and also clears our pores. At yung anti-inflammatory effect ng azelaic acid ay nakakatulong upang hindi masyadong galit or inflamed yung mga skin cells natin around the pores, thereby contributing to the illusion that we have smaller pores. And studies actually show that azelaic acid can improve your acne and redness. Kasi guys, itong acne and redness, they are the centers of inflammation in our facial skin. And inflammation actually worsens the appearance of your pores. So if you use something like azelaic acid that has anti-inflammatory effects, then indirectly it will also help improve the appearance of your pores over time. Number 4 is another favorite. It's potassium azelaic diglycinate. So it's a derivative of your azelaic acid. So some patients kasi po hindi nila ma-tolerate yung azelaic acid, nagkakaroon sila ng irritation. So a good alternative, especially for those who are Filipinos with acne-prone and very, very sensitive skin, is the potassium azelaic diglycinate. Since it's a derivative of azelaic acid, meron siyang parehong properties or effects kagaya ng azelaic acid na na-mention ko kanina sa ating mga pores. And it also helps regulate sebum production. Ibig sabihin na normalize nito ang pag-produce ng sebum sa ating mga pores para kung wala pong masyadong madaming sebum sa ating pores, then our pores will look smaller. And also at the same time, since it controls our sebum production, it also inhibits or reduces the risk of acne eruptions, thereby decreasing the risk of skin inflammation, and that also contributes to a smaller appearing pore. And number 5, guys, is niacinamide. So niacinamide accelerates the repair or recovery of your skin barrier. And guys, a healthy skin barrier is very important if we are to keep inflammation away from our skin, di ba? Pag may inflammation, then it also causes pores to become bigger. So if you have healthy skin, no inflammation, smaller pores. And also, guys, niacinamide has been shown to actually control sebum production also. So if we maintain our sebum production at a normal level in our pores, then definitely that will also prevent the appearance of our pores from becoming bigger. And lastly, guys, niacinamide has anti-inflammatory effects. And again, anything that helps reduce inflammation can also contribute to a smaller appearing pores. Okay, guys? So I hope this helps. For more acne tips, follow me. And basta acne, DMD. Bye!